Jazzy Chase. I am Daddy Dukes. Yeah, let's get pumped. Are you ready? Cause here we go. Revolving hills, mosh pit below me. Frontman on stage, bodies lie beside me. Die for a lie, buried in the earth. Children of the grave, oppressed from birth. Talking in your sleep, but your lips ain't moving. Imperialistic mindset, time to start grooving. I'll exploit your thoughts and steal your dreams. That's my pedigree. It's in my genes, like taking candy from a baby that's never been born. The roses I pick only bear one thorn. My people, they just can't find me. Suicide bomb straight from the enemy. One was only 5 years old. Dead body looked like decaying mold. I couldn't take the shit, I had to go. Knelt down and prayed in 3 feet of snow. Bullets flying, mechanical infantry. I do this for the richness of my country, or shall I say, the wealth of the family. I arrive back home, draped in red, white, and blue. Remember me now, the soldier that